Hello guys, we are back with another video. Today we're going to do car racing part 2, and make sure to subscribe right here. Wait, right here. And we gotta do 2 laps around the circle. Whoever finishes first wins, and we will be back. I'm gonna ask him questions. So Ruby, how you think you're gonna win today?
I don't know. I don't know. She's gonna win or I win, but it's okay.
It's okay, whoever wins.
Yeah,
it's just a game.
Yeah, it's just a game.
Okay, so now we're gonna ask you, Daniela, who you think is going to win?
We don't know. I don't.
First, I need to race to see.
Yeah, and let's see who wins.
Cause last time, who won? Who you think won?
I don't know, cause.
Oh, wait. Oops, he just hit the trash can. Alright, so what happened?
I think I don't know who's gonna
Let's
win.
just race.
Let's just check it out. Yeah.
Just race.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now, you know what to do, right? 2 laps. Yeah. So now we're going to start. Ready, set, go. But make sure.
I know what you won, because you wanted that.
And please make sure to subscribe. Even you like the video,